Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how we apply for a passport. So we need to click on existing user login. Login ID would be the username and click continue. So now we need to enter the password and the captcha code. Once we are all set, we click on login. From the applicant home, we have the second option, apply for fresh passport or the reissue option. So in that we have a link wherein we click on to fill in the application. Now here, for example, I'm using the fresh passport with the normal type. I'm not going for reissue. So reissue option will ask multiple other questions. So Tatkal is not mandatory in my case. So I'm going with just the 36 page. You can also opt in for 60 pages. And just to let you know, we need to pay uh, a nominal fee extra to get the Tatkal option, so which would be a fast pace. So now here we need to fill in the information. We need to put our given name, surname. We need to select the gender, and then we would be selecting if we are known by any other names, then we select S. If we have changed our name in the past, then we need to select S. Here, in my case, no. So I have selected the birth date and then the gender, place of birth, even the village, city, state, district, and the marital status. They're also checking the citizenship, like how you were a citizen of India. And we need to provide the employment type, and we need to provide the Aadhaar number, agree the terms, click next. So in the next, it would be the legal guardian or father's, mother's details. I have provided. And next, so this is the present address and contact information. Also, we need to check whether the present address is same as permanent address. Click next, and we need to read that warnings and accept them. This is the emergency contact wherein I provided the details and click next. This is something we need to provide appropriately. If you have this, you need to select yes or no. Then click next. So these are the questionnaires. You need to go through the questionnaires and select if it is like applicable for you or not. Click next. It will preview the data that we inputted. So please do verify these things because this will be printed in your passport. Verify carefully and click next. So this is the proof that we need to take to the passport office when we go for the appointment or document verification. I have selected the Aadhaar card. can see applicant name, fee details are actually mentioned here. It auto selected the earliest appointment available. The link is in the description. Please do use it and check how we can use the online portal to check the appointment date. Also, go through this payment instructions before you proceed with the payment. Please do go through all the payment instructions. And also we can use the calendar to select another date, like what are the available appointment dates. I'm not changing it as this date would be convenient for me. I'm clicking on pay and book appointment with this same date. Click on OK. I understand the terms. Now I'm going with the UPI proceed. We have a lot of other payment options available. Depending on your need, you can proceed with it. So you can see here it is 1,500 rupees for adult, and I will scan this QR code from my mobile phone using any of the payment app, and I can proceed with this payment. Once it is completed, it will automatically redirect back to the page wherein we will get the receipt and also the payment successful message. So now it is redirecting, transaction is successful. Okay, this is the confirmation. Appointment has been confirmed. We will have all the details, appointment time, date, and the payment status, transaction ID, everything. We can print the application receipt, and we can take this along with all the other documents to the passport office. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and support. Have a good one.